Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix blink camera using iPhone. If your camera is offline, not recording or not showing live view, don't worry, these steps are easy and only take a few minutes. First, grab your iPhone and open the Blink Home Monitor app and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Blink camera only works on 24.Hz Wi-Fi, not 5G. If you are using Wi-Fi and it's weak or unstable, move your camera closer to the router. Next, look at the camera status in the app. If it says offline, tap on the camera name. If live view doesn't load, that usually means a connection problem. Now let's check the battery. Low batteries are the most common reason blank apps stop working. Remove the back cover and replace them with a new AI lithium battery, not chargeable one. After that, try restarting the scan module. Unplug it from power, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait until the blue light is solid again. If the camera still doesn't work, try restarting the camera. On the back of the camera, hold the reset button for the 10 seconds until you see a red blinking light. Now go back to the app, tap the plus sign and choose add device. Follow the steps to reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi and also make sure your Blink app is updated. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.